Welcome to the class. We will start with warm-ups. Keep little distance between both the legs. Hands at the waistline. Uh, Sorry, I think we will start with the shoulder exercise. So keep both the legs together, hands along with the body. Now rotate shoulder ball forward. Make a bigger circle. Similarly, do the reverse direction. Now both the hands forward rotation, keeping elbows straight. Rotate both the hands together. When hands goes up, shoulders coming closer to the ears. Make sure throughout the rotation elbows are straight. Similarly, do the reverse direction. Now alternatively lift the hands up and down, keeping elbows straight. Now both the hands together up and down. Relax. Now keep little distance between both the legs. Join both the palms at the front, keeping elbows straight. Exhaling, stretch the hands back at the shoulder height. Now swing to right and left. When you go to right hand going back, left palm is coming onto the right shoulder. Twist maximum. Similarly, towards left. Make sure your hands are moving at the shoulder height. Don't drop them. Relax. Now keep both the legs together. Again, bring hands forward, palms looking down. Exhaling, pull the elbows back. Similarly, up and down, take both the hands up. Exhaling, pull the elbows down and lock them at the front. Don't take them back. Now place both the palms on the shoulders. Join the elbows at the front. Exhaling, stretch them back. Now join the elbows at the top in front of the forehead. Keeping elbows together, bring them down and start rotating. Make a bigger circle. Try to keep elbows together for a longer distance. Similarly, join the elbows at the bottom. Bring them up and then start rotating. Now from sideways, lift the shoulders up and down. From shoulder to elbow straight and coming closer to the ear. Only shoulders are moving, not the body or the head. Relax. Now keep little distance between both the legs. Hands at the waistline. Now rotate the abdomen clockwise. Only abdomen should get rotated. Similarly, do the reverse direction. Relax. Now keeping legs over there. Inhaling. Take both the hands up at the shoulder width. Once again inhale. Stretch both the hands up. Exhaling. Bend back. Completely exhale, bend back, and normal breathing in the final stage. You can bend even knees. Inhaling, come to center. Exhaling, bend forward. Those who has backache, don't bend forward. Rest of them, completely exhale, bend forward and see if you can touch the fingers on the floor. If you are able to touch the fingers, try to place the entire palm on the floor. Forehead is coming between both the knees. Make sure knees are straight. Now keeping your back as low as possible, try to swing to left and right. When you come to left, right palm is coming to right, left feet, left hand is going back, going up. Look towards the hand going up. Don't lift your lower back. Slowly come back. Raise the body up. Normalize the breath. Now keeping the hands at the waistline. Lift the right leg a little. Now rotate the ankle. Clockwise 3-4 times. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Similarly, left leg. Clockwise 3-4 times. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Relax. Now sit on the asana. We will do few warm-ups on the backbone. Slowly lie down on the back. Hands along with the body. Fold both the legs. Bring the heels close to the hips. As close as possible. Once you get a comfort, you can keep your feet little apart. Initially, you can bring it close to the hips. Now, every time when you exhale, lift head a little and take your hands towards the feet. Try to surpass your hands towards the feet. Exhale, lift your head and see your hands are surpassing the toes or coming closer to the toes. See the impact at the lower abdomen. Excess fat at the lower abdomen will get reduced. Slowly relax for a few seconds. Now, similarly, do it from the sideways. Every time when you exhale, come to right and left. When you come to right, your right hand is surpassing the toe, right toe. When you come to left, left palm is surpassing the left toe. Do it at least 10 times. Excess fat at the sides will reduce. Relax. Relax for a few seconds. Now lift both the legs, folding at the knee. From knee to elbows parallel to the floor. From thigh joint to knee straight. Now take both the hands, interlock the fingers behind the neck. Now lift your head a little. Every time when you exhale, your right elbow coming to left knee, left elbow coming to right knee. Do it at least 5 times each side. Slowly relax. Relax for a few seconds. Lie down in the same position. Now take both the hands towards the head on the floor. Elbow to raise head of the palms should be on the floor. Keep little distance between both the feet. Those who have severe backache, you can avoid this. Rest of them, every time when you exhale, lift yourself up and see you're able to place your palms between both the feet. And inhaling, go back. Exhaling, come forward. Do it at least 10 times. Even if you are not able to lift completely and place the palms, try to lift wherever you are comfortable. Without lifting the feet. Feet should be on the floor. Relax. Relax for a few seconds. Turning from right. Come and sit in relaxed position so that we'll go for preparation for Padmasana. Keep little distance between both the legs. Hands behind the hips. Look up. Close your eyes. Normalize the breath. Now join both the legs. Fold the right leg. Bring the feet close to the chest while exhaling. Make sure other leg is straight and stretched. Inhaling, straighten the leg. Exhaling, bring it close. Inhaling, straighten the leg. Exhaling, bring it close. Inhaling, straighten the leg. Now fold the right leg. Place the ankle on the left knee, keeping back and neck straight. Try to push your right knee towards the floor. Don't look at your knee. Look straight. Let your right hand do the job. You don't need to look at the knee. Now catch hold of the right knee with both the hands. Inhaling. Bring the knee close to the chest. Try to pull towards left side of the chest. Inhaling, send it back. Exhaling, bring it close. Inhaling, send it back. Exhaling, bring it close. Inhaling, send it back. Now hold the ankle with the left hand, knee with the right hand. Do a cradle movement towards right. Try to pull your knee maximum towards right. In the final stretch, knee should be little below and ankle should be up. Make sure other leg is straight and stretched. Now holding the toe with left hand, inhaling, bring the heel close to the navel, exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Now exhaling, bring the toe close to the left ear without bending the head. Even if you are not able to bring it close to the ear, that's fine, but don't bend the head. Exhaling, normalize the right leg. Now fold the left leg. Bring the feet close to the chest. While exhaling, straighten the leg. Exhaling, bring it close. Inhaling, straighten the leg. Exhaling, bring it close. Inhaling, straighten the leg. Now fold the left leg. Place the ankle on the right knee, keeping back and neck straight. Try to push your left knee towards the floor. Look forward, don't look at your left knee. Now catch hold of the knee with both the hands. Inhaling, bring the knee close to the chest. Try to pull towards right side of the chest. Exhaling, send it back. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, send it back. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, send it back. Now hold the knee with the left hand, ankle with the right hand. Do a cradle movement towards left. Make sure other leg is straight and stretched. Now holding the toe with the right hand. Inhaling, bring the heel close to the navel. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Now exhaling, bring the toe close to the right ear without bending the head. Exhaling, normalize the left leg. Now we will do butterfly. Fold both the legs. Bring the heels close to the thigh joint, as close as possible. Keeping back and neck straight. Now try to tap the knees towards the floor. Try to oscillate them maximum. If you straighten the body, you will be able to do it better. Relax, relax both the legs, straighten them. Now fold the right leg, bring the heel left side of the navel, fold the left leg, place it on top of the right leg so that both the heels close to each other, both knees on the floor, hands in Dhyana Mudra, thumb and index finger gently touching each other, remaining 3 fingers straight and looking down, wrist on the knees, elbows close to the body, eyes gently closed. We will do deep and long breathing. Start exhaling slowly, as slow as possible. Completely exhale. In the final stage, pull the navel deep inside. Holding the breath outside, apply Molband. Pulling up of the perineal muscles is Molband. Hold for some time. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently. The deep inhalation up to the throat. Again apply Molband. Release Molband. Normalize the breath. And then repeat 2 more times. Relax. We will chant Om 3 times followed by Gayatri Mantra. Mouth into circular shape. Take a deep breath. Mahamantra Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Try to get up without taking support of your hands. If you cannot, then come on to the knees and then get up.